Hi, let's solve one previous question of algorithm analysis. This question was asked in GATE CS 2020 question number 2 for parameters A and B, both of which are little omega of 1, t of n equals to t of n power 1 divide A plus 1 and t of B equals to 1, then t of n is and 4 options are given. Here one recurrence relation is given and it is asking what will be time complexity for this. We can use back substitution method. So t of n equals to t of n power 1 by a plus 1. Now what will be t of n power 1 divide a? T of n power 1 divide a will be t of whatever n is given. Now n is n power 1 by a, so we'll write n power 1 by a whole power 1 by a plus 1. So n power 1 by a power 1 by a, it will be n power 1 divide a square. So it will be t of n power 1 divide a square plus 1. So in place of this t of n power 1 divide a, we can substitute t of n power 1 divide a square plus 1. So let me substitute this. After substitution, we'll get t of n power 1 divide a square plus 1, and before 1 was given, so we'll write 1. Now after addition of these two, we got 2. In place of this t of n power 1 by a, we substitute this. Again, in place of this t of n power 1 divide a square, we can substitute t of n power 1 divide a power 3 plus 1. So after substitution, we got t of n power 1 divide a power 3 plus 1. This we substitute in place of this. And before 1, 2 is given, so we'll write 2. Now 1 plus 2, it is 3. Like this, it will continue. From it, we can get a general pattern. T of n equals to t of n power 1 divide a power I plus I. And what is initial condition? Initial condition is t of b equals to 1. We need to compare this n power 1 divide a power I with b. So n power 1 divide a power I. This equals to b. We can take log both sides. After taking log n power 1 divide a power I equals to log b. Next, we can take this to left side. So 1 divide a power I log n equals to log b. Here I have written. Next, we can take this a power I to right side. After taking a power I to right side, we'll get a power I equals to log n. I'm taking this log b into left side. So log n divide log b. And we know log a base c divide log b base c equals to log a base b. So this thing we can write log n base b. This formula I already discussed during logarithm lecture. Just go through that, you can understand. If it is in this format like log a base c divide log b base c, that we can write as log a base b. So here we can write log n base b. We found a power I equals to log n base b. Next we need to find I. I will be log base a log n base b. We know if a power b equals to n, then log n base a equals to b. Here this is our n, this is a, this is b. Then this I will be, means this b will be log n base b, that is our n. Before that we can write log a. This is a standard formula. By using it, I found I value equals to log base a log n base b. Next we will substitute here t of b. In place of this we will substitute b, and in place of I we will substitute this. So t of b plus log base a log n base b. And we know T of B equals to 1. Let me substitute 1 in place of T of B. Now 1 plus this, so approximately time complexity will be theta of log base A log n base B. Now check in which option it is present. It's present in option A. So answer will be theta of log base A log n base B. If you see, option C is similar to it, but here base are different. Base are interchanged. If base are interchanged, value will be interchanged. This is wrong. So answer will be option A. If you don't know this formula, you may find difficulty for solving this. So before solving this, first go through logarithm lecture and how to find time complexity using back substitution method. You can easily solve this question. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.